Okay, so I decided to try something interesting today. We're going to do a 4-part taste comparison. Jamaican jerk barbecue sauce versus huge sugar-free Capital City mumbo sauce or regular Kraft barbecue sauce. This is straight out of the bottle. Mm-mm. All right. So, which one should I try? Let's go with the Kraft first. This is Kraft Original barbecue sauce. Of course, tastes like standard barbecue sauce. Extra sweet taste behind the back end. Good. Woo, that is hot. That's standard barbecue sauce. Now, Capital City mumbo sauce, which is traditional sauce that was made just for eating chicken wings. A childhood favorite, if I may say. When it comes to chicken wings, nothing beats that mumbo, that almost sweet, vinegary taste of mumbo sauce. I could just eat a bag of wings. No, I won't. But just the mumbo sauce is definitely a high contender. So far, Capital City mumbo sauce is ahead, even ahead of the Kraft Original. Now we're going to go and sugar-free barbecue sauce by G. Hughes. Now, I do remember this barbecue sauce. I forgot this the sugar-free one. This again, this is a really good barbecue sauce. Not too sweet, but just enough sweetness to make you realize it's barbecue sauce. And of course, it's absolutely diabetic ready. Okay. Capital City mumbo sauce against Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce. Very close comparison. But I still have to give it to Capital City. It brings that bite to that chicken wing that you. So now we're gonna try Jamaican. See if the Jamaican style barbecue sauce can pull the lead up. Doesn't quite do it for me. But like to say, one bite is never good enough. Compared with the other barbecue sauces, and maybe this is just for my preference, if I had to choose any of these 4 sauces to use, Jamaican just dropped down to the bottom. So out of these four flavors, there's a close tie between Capital City and Hughes Sugar Free. If you look at health-wise, I would give it to the sugar. But if you're looking at taste only, I would give it to Capital City Mumbo Sauce when it comes to chicken. Close tie with the Sugar Free, which is in second. Kraft would come into third. And then Jamaican Jerk Barbecue Sauce, it's a flat fourth. This is only based off flavor. Yes. So we got the champion for chicken wings, Capital City. Yay! All right, family, take care. And live long, eat healthy.